Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make steak experiment using sirloin steak, smoked with hickory wood chips and BON CABE level 30. First thing, I'm going to add this BON CABE about 2 tablespoons or 3 tablespoons, paprika powder, half teaspoon and black pepper. Mix it together. For you who don't know, BON CABE is very famous chili flake from Indonesia. Because it's very spicy, very good, very easy to use with any kind of food. I'm adding the salt first because I want to make sure the meat is not too salty, and of course season both sides. And then we add the BON CABE mixture, also on both sides. Make sure every side of the meat get the BON CABE. Drizzle the meat with cooking oil on both sides so the meat won't stick on the smoking pan. This is a hickory wood chips that I already soaked with water for 10 to 20 minutes. I'm put it into small container from aluminum foil, and then I'm going to mix also with dry hickory wood chips. If you live here in Indonesia like me, I know hickory wood chips is really hard to find. So I recommend you to try this wood that I already tried to smoke. First, I highly recommend you to try rambutan. The smoke is very strong, very powerful. I think it's very good for meat. The second one, I recommend you to try durian or maybe jambu, water apple. They have mellow flavor, not too strong, but I think it's good for chicken, pork, maybe fish. Back to the video. Preheat the smoking pan with the wood chips in it for 10 to 15 minutes until the wood chips start to smoke, and then you add the meat. I tried to smoke for 1 hour and it turns out not very good. The meat is well done, it's very hard to chew, not melt in your mouth, but the flavor, it tastes really good. I know my face say otherwise, but really trust me. The BON CABE, salt, black pepper, paprika powder, they all combine together and taste really good. You should try it sometimes. Thank you very much guys for watching this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, please hit the like button, and if you have any question, post it on the comment below. I'm posting 3 videos every week, Wednesday, Friday and Sunday. If you like this channel, please subscribe. It really motivates me to make more video about this. And turn on the notification. Thank you guys, and I see you next time.